My face, because the reason is like that the snow is coming on face. It's bothering me. eyebrow and especially in eyes. Oh. Good evening all of you. Actually it is a snowstorm in Saskatoon. I just came outside for adventure. Love to do some adventure in night time when we have a snowstorm in Saskatoon. I hope this GoPro will work. Hopefully it's not going to be shut down like what happened in last week vlog. It's automatically shut down when the temperature was minus 20. Right now its temperature is something like that, minus 20 or something like that. The red light is beeping. I hope it's not going to be shut down. And I would like to show you guys the adventure here. Right now is a storm in Saskatoon. It is little tough to go outside right now, but I just made my mind. I had a dinner. It is 6:30 evening right now, and let's see what I can find tonight. Look at that. You know what the heck is it? This one. According to forecast, this snow will be all night, and it's mean tomorrow I have to use snow blower to clean the snow at front and backyard. Oh. It is, what is it? Yeah guys, this is snowstorm will be all night according to forecast. So yeah, something like that. I need to on. Shoot. Yeah, you guys can see the view. It is tough to handle. Shoot. Not easy. That's why I put that thing on my face, because the reason is like that the snow is coming on face. It's bothering me. That's why it's not easy to make a vlog. Yeah, There we go. Now street light is on here, that's why it's a little bright. I believe you guys can see my face right now. Here we go, look at that. Who will go to here? Inside, nobody. Oh boy. The people, they decorate for 25 December. Well, this year the city of Saskatoon, they are doing very good job. They love to clean each and everything very quick, on time. So that's why we like to appreciate them, their tough job, whatever they are doing. There you go. Look at that, the new beautiful house and their decoration, lovely. Actually, the problem is finger bite. Oh, it's giving hard time. Look at that, the beautiful decoration. It's lovely. Shut up. It's not fun in the snow, seriously, while the storm is going on, and walk around in a storm, it is a little difficult, but I love it. I love to go outside, I love to enjoy, I love to do some adventure. So I just made my mind, I said I would like to do it. I would like to go for adventure, snow adventure. Somebody's coming. Actually, I'm wearing gloves, so that's why sometimes it's not easy for me to use my hand to turn off the camera and turn on it. Guys, you can easily see it's not like it is visible, I think so, how the snow is flying there. There you go, look at that. People are enjoying in a snowstorm. wearing gloves. Oh. It's dark, but it's not bad. There you go. eyebrow, and especially in eyes. When the tears comes from the eyes, it's became a ice. Look at that truck. Boy. When we are doing deer, we have to think about it, that deer can be easy for us or no. This is 11th Street West. There you go. Look at that. My feet. Night adventure in a snowstorm with Adventure Sam. Stuff really tough. Oh. Boy, it's not easy. You guys can see the view of houses. When the snow goes to your eyes, it's become ice. Actually, right now my fingers are hurting. It is finger bites, which is not easy, seriously. I had a dinner, so then after 30 minutes I decided to go outside for a walk, which is not easy, but it is what is it. You can have a fun if you really want something in your life. Oh boy. Whew. Actually the roads are very slippery because I think last week we had a freezing rain. That rain became ice. Oh boy. Thanks God. You guys can see the snow is flying like that. Tired. Guys, it is really interesting kind of adventure, you know. I enjoy a lot, seriously. What kind of gloves I'm wearing? Look at that. This is one, and this is a second one, because without gloves stuff is tough. But oh shoot. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh shoot. Very unbalanced track. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh shoot, boy. Hell with that. This one is even better. This one even better. Look at that. Saskatoon Housing Authority Maintenance Division. This one even better. Okay guys, I'm going to end this video right now here. If you like my night adventure in Snowstorm, please subscribe my YouTube channel, share my videos with your friends, and see you in next adventure. Good night guys.